Hi there! What is global warming and how can we help in solving this world problem? Global warming refers to the long-term rise in the average of surface temperature of the Earth due to the increased level of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a warming effect on the planet. The consequences of global warming are far-reaching and devastating, including melting of polar ice caps, sea level rise, and altered weather patterns. To help solve this world problem, we need to reduce our carbon footprint by transitioning to renewable energy sources and improving energy efficiency. We can also make conscious choices in our daily life, such as reducing meat consumption, using public transportation, and recycling. Additionally, we need to protect and restore national carbon sinks, such as forests, wetlands, and oceans, which absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Supporting climate change research, adaptation, and resilience, building efforts is also crucial, particularly in vulnerable communities. By working together globally in making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can help reduce our impact on the environment and create a more sustainable future for all. It's a pressing issue that requires immediate attention and action, but with collaboration and determination, we can make a difference.
Tuturo sa inyo ng lahat ng pero ang pagpunta ko sa
Yan, by working.